Okay, we've hooked either a good snapper or like maybe a kingy. Hello, it is pretty good out here. We don't have much of a plan except one thing. My target species ain't snapper, it's kingfish. I mean, I don't have any kingfish gear, I've just got a soft bait rod and my jigging rod, but of course we're still gonna fish a snapper. But if we see kingies or anything that looks good for kingfish, we're gonna try. Because yeah, I've got big snapper now, I just want to get like a good sized legal kingy. So today we'll probably be fishing underneath all the bait fish, birds, anyway that looks pretty like some reefy structure. We'll probably get some snapper anyway, but if we can get a kingy, that'll be my goal. If we can't, well, still got some good stuff out here, so hopefully it should be good. That wind is going to be changing a bit. It'll be a little bit, you know, a little bit unpredictable. I know that it should be fine wind, it'll just be pushing us around a lot. So, got to be a bit more careful today, but should be all good. Whew! Look at that. Those are some bright colours there. Don't know how well you can see, but oh, that's amazing. It's a bit dirty, the GoPro. Oh, it's a good day, hopefully. You can just see that light coming up really, so we're just paddling over to some grounds where I've seen kingies before, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, there's fish around. I just casted and had a hook up before, so let's try here a bit more. And if no luck, let's carry on. So far there's nothing that looks like kingy action at the moment. But hopefully, as it gets a bit more light, those bait fish will start busting, well, getting eaten by the kahawai, and the kingies will come around. Okay, we hooked something. It does not feel that big, but I'm happy that we've got at least something. Oh yeah, baby snap. Okay, that makes it helpful. Soft bait came out his mouth. Okay, here we go. Baby snapper. Can't really hold them that good, but going home. Ugh. Okay, there's finally some birds starting to work. Taking out a cast here because that was actually instant that we hooked up, even though it's small. Sometimes they go in schools and those big ones feed underneath or around them. So yeah, or even the kingies might be around here, never know. Okay, we've just changed our soft bait to coconut ice. I've actually had some really good success on this soft bait before. Yeah, it's just a good soft bait in general. I don't use it too much, just when I'm not getting much action on the others. Oh, something went for that. See, that was an instant difference. Before, casted a couple times, nothing. Okay, we've hooked up. Does not feel big at all, but it's the fact that we've hooked up. Like, it is extremely small. Don't know how you can see that, but yeah, it's very small. No point taking something that big, you'll get nothing off it. It's just, yeah, small as. Hoping there'll be some big ones around. It's a pretty slow day, to be fair. I just changed back to new penny soft bait. Try here for about 10 more minutes, if no more luck. We'll just keep heading around the coast. Yeah. Okay, we've just dropped the jig down and not too far up from the reef. We've hooked a good sized fish, I think. I don't know how big, but it's fighting pretty good. I actually thought I snagged the bottom. So I don't know how big he is, but he's got some weight to him. He'll be a keeper. Okay. First actually legal fish of the day is on the jig. There we go. First fish. First legal fish. Not a bad size on the jig. I actually thought I was snagged on the bottom, but then it just started coming up, so I was like, oh, must be a fish. Okay, so the thing is, the swell is really big out here. Like, it's way too, I can't go near the rocks anywhere, so that's sort of a bust. So I can't really go like any reef structure. But what I am going to do, I've just looked on the maps. There's a point, it's like pinnacle, I guess. It's 6 meters. But then around it's like 25, so hopefully we can do some jigging around there, maybe drop the soft bait down and see if any different species are hanging around, like granddaddy harp hooker, there might be some snapper, kingfish. It's a perfect spot for like kingfish. So it's giving me a bit of a paddle there, so I'm gonna go there, then I'll let you know how we get on. Okay, we've just come out to a sand patch out from the reef. We've hooked a fish, and it's a goatfish. It's a pretty big one too. There we go. And what? Okay, let's chuck him back. But it ain't massive for a goat. No, that is actually pretty big for a goatfish, I should say. And yes, we can have one more drop here. If no better luck, then we'll head out over back to that reef where I was heading. Okay, that wind is picking up pretty quickly now. That shot's starting to come in. I'm heading in over to the island because we are very far out, and if it picks up with wind, that's not good, so we need to go in now. I don't know if you can see this. It's starting to chop up already, and I'm gonna head in over to the island because it is pretty bad weather out here now. Might be a bit more calm and shallow, and there's no luck out here. It's terrible today. Like, the fishing's actually terrible because I don't know, I'll go in a bit shallower and just test it out over there. Hopefully there's still some fish. It's not too late, it's only 8:30, so if you can get in there about 9 o'clock, that means we've still got about 2 hours of, should hopefully be alright fishing. Okay. We stopped on the way back in and hooked up. I don't know what it is. Oh, it came off. Don't know what it was. Okay, we've hooked either a good snapper or like maybe a kingy. It's screaming. We've literally been trying everywhere, and then we'll finally hook this. It's not got too much weight, so it makes me think it's either just a nice size snapper or kingy. Like a rat king, I don't know. I can say it's screaming. It ain't giving up too easy. Oh, that's a nice snapper. A real good snapper. He's not huge, of course, but yeah, he's a nice little. He's a nice fish. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, he's in the net. Let's quickly get away from these rocks because we're right in. Right now. Keep him in the water. I think should be good here. I'm gonna get a hook away and I'll probably let him go. He's a nice sized fish, but he ain't like massive, of course. I might keep him. I'll see how big he is. I can't really do it in this position. Oh, I'll keep him. He's about 10 pounds. Oh, close. The scales are sort of broken. Oh, amateur, but he's not massive. Just nice sized, eating size. Yeah, let me get a couple of photos. Obviously, like, he ain't a beast, but there we go. There we go. Happy with that. Second legal snapper of the day. He'll sure have a lot of meat on him. I need to quickly move because I'm about to hit a rock. So, okay. So what I'm doing now is I'm just fishing wide and shallow, trying to get either some rezies or just some nice big ones. I obviously want a bit of a meal, but then after that, I'll just catch and release. It's pretty shallow here. It's a bit sketchy with the big swell, but there's fish around here, so keep fishing. Okay, we've hooked up, think. Alright. It has good weight, like really good weight. I do not know what it is. It hasn't been screaming much yet, but huge weight. Oh no. Ah. Came off. What a bummer, man. That felt good. Okay, hooked one. Doesn't feel massive, but feels like a fish. That's a keeper. Finally, we're getting on to some fish, and these ones are rezies too. I mean, not rezies, I don't think. Schoolies, I should say. Rezies are normally dark, so yeah. Oh, that soft bait right there. Yeah, we're just fishing them shallow, so pretty good. If we get some good success here, which so far we have, I might just paddle back up after and drift back down in the bucket. Pretty sure we've just got a small snapper on. Don't even know if it would be legal. No, not at all. There we go. Gone home. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep fishing here. After we've done fishing here, we're gonna move over to a bit of an island, fish around that. Oh, okay. Do not want to lose them. Please don't. Okay, just hooked something. It feels good. For a good run at the start. He's gone down to that weed. There we go. Oh, nice eating size snapper, that one. Again, nothing massive, but I'll take him. I'll take him for sure. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. Don't know how well you can see that. Nice little snapper on the soft bait. I'll fish here a bit more, then I'll paddle back up because it seems to be doing pretty good. Okay, I'm just gonna slowly head over towards the island. Still gonna keep fishing around the rocks like this. Maybe pick up a couple more, but to be fair, we've got a good meal in the back already. I just wanna, try and catch a couple more for a bit of fun. But hopefully a big one or something different species like a kingy, that'll be good. So yeah. Okay, come over to the island. You loosen my drag because it's quite tight. And we've hooked the fish. Don't know how big. It's got weight. Snapper, not too bad in size. It's probably legal. I'll quickly check him out. He will be, but I just want to make sure it's a real properly measured on that. Yeah, he's easy legal. Oh, I'm just getting a couple more and then might catch and release. Okay, there we go. Nothing massive. Actually, I might chuck this fella back. I don't have to. Ah, he's all good. Okay, he wasn't massive. See, I don't have my fingers right in his gills. I just had them on the edges, so he should be fine. So try it. Because if I don't size like that, I'm just going to let go. I'll try and catch a couple more bigger ones. More meat on them. So, yeah. It'll be a good day, I reckon, around the island. Like, there should be some fish. It's good tide. It's good with a bit of swell. So yeah, I'll let you know when I'm hooked up. Okay, there's some sort of fish. They chase it up to the kayak. My soft bait. I have a suspicion it's either kingies or kawai. I have a good feeling it's kingies because I've seen kingies here heaps. But they stalk it from all the way from when I cast it. Okay, changed colour and hooked up straight away. Don't know what it is. Feels like a snapper. This one I'll be keeping on the coconut ice. I do like that colour. There we go, not too bad size, nice condition. Let's try and get a couple more maybe. Okay, put another. Don't know how big it is. He feels quite good size. Yep. Oh, right. Nice fatty. At the island, eh? Okay, hopefully you get a good shot of that. There we go. Ew. pretty nice snapper. Don't know how well you can see because that's sun. Yeah, there we go on that coconut ice. I'm gonna count my fish, see how many more I can catch. I'll catch those and then I might head back or try and catch a couple more just for fun. Okay, I've just checked. I can catch one more and then I'll be completely full anyway because these are some good sized fish. So let's get on to doing that. I'm sitting a bit more up now just because I just want to change of sitting position. Just around the island. I'm hoping Kingy can pick it up. I'll have to be very happy with a Kingy. I mean, not a snapper like that, but another one of those. Yeah, let's go stay up that way. I'll let you know if I hook up. Okay, we just took our last cast. If we don't catch anything, well, no, even if we catch something, we're heading back. So, yeah, we've got 6 snapper on the back. We've caught 8 legals so far. It's not actually too bad of a day fishing, but it was very slow. But I mean, we got some in the end. Good. Nope. Yeah, let's head back in. Had a pretty good day fishing. Yeah. Okay, I've made it back to shore and just gutted and cleaned all the fish up. Pretty nice. That's a pretty good size. I want to say it's about 8.5 pounds. My scale broke as I was weighing that thing. No surprise, it's rusty as. Let me show you. Don't know if you can see that, but it snapped up there. It's super rusty. I'm going to get some new scales pretty soon, hopefully before I catch another big snapper, or I'm just going to have to estimate it. Yeah, so got some nice ones in here. Got 2 another good size ones down here. These ones are about close to 5 pound, I'd say, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, I'm going to pack all my stuff up. I'm going to head back. Pretty good day on the water. It was pretty slow. But it's still pretty calm out there. No, just like I said before, that wind's pretty unpredictable because I was out there and it started picking up that wind. Now it's just died right back down, so it could have stayed out there, but it's good what I did. Got a couple nice ones, so yo.
Come on guys, get off the couch, come outside and have fun.